A meditation for self-love. Do you realize that you are the only person that has shown up for yourself every single second of every single day? You've been there for yourself every night when you've gone to bed, and every morning when you've woken up. You've lain in your bed and you've cried, and you thought your world was coming to an end or your heart was going to break. You're the only person that has shown up every single second of every single day. Everyone feels broken at some point in their lives, but everyone has the desire and ability to fill those cracks with love and self-worth. So lie down comfortably and relax. And let the light of self-love flow into those cracks. See the golden light of the sun gently shining around your body. The warm rays penetrating your skin. Embracing your cells. Deep. Deep. Deep down into your body. And feel that warmth. And bring your awareness to your breath. The stairway to your subconscious mind. And breathe. In for 4. Out for 4. In a perfect rhythm. As I count to 10, imagine walking up the stairway with complete relaxation, feeling lighter and lighter with every step, breathing in a gentle rhythm and feeling lighter and lighter. Breathe in through the nose, into the belly, and gently out through the mouth, and relax. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out love. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out love. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out love. And climb the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and breathe. Keep breathing. And breathe. If I asked you to tell me the 10 things you love most in the world, when would you mention yourself? Take this moment to know that you are safe in the here and now, and repeat after me anything that resonates with you. Feel the emotions in your body and embrace the love and power you deserve. And just repeat after me. I have shown up for myself today. I release all emotions that do not serve me. I relax physical stress from the body. I trust the timing of my life. In this moment, all is well. I allow myself to slow down and embrace life. I treat my body with the love and respect it deserves. I step into my power with confidence and grace. I embrace the flow of life. It is safe and appropriate for me to be loved. I am an infinite source of love. I am grateful for the love in my life. I am grateful for all that I have. I choose now to embrace my life. My time has come to accept myself. I am a channel for creativity. I am worthy of all good things. I am free of judgment. I am willing to love and accept myself. This moment is enough. I value my own beliefs and opinions. I am willing to change and grow. I accept all that I cannot change. I will change all that I can't accept. My self-esteem is growing day by day. I did my best today, and that is enough. And when you are ready, feel the vibrations in your body, tingling in your cells. And let them guide you back down the staircase. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knowing that everything you have said is true, and that you are moving up towards the beautiful, wonderful, amazing you. And take this moment to come back into your body and wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and come back into the here and now. The important thing is this: not what you are, but what you can become.